All right, we're back at the 977 this morning. We got a starter wire to fix, and it is buried way in there. Still not going to be easy access even with these loader arms up out of the way. We've got everything propped up. I think that's pretty safe. And I'm going to take the side cover off here, see if that gives us any better access, because that is the one drawback of the crawler loader. All this loader arm stuff is sometimes in the way. When I did the engine on the other machine, most of it wasn't in the way, but in this case, it will be. Well, I got the side panel off. One of the bolts broke off, so I'll have to deal with that too now. But it didn't help any at all. I mean, you can get to the back of the solenoid a little easier there, but for where I'm going, it didn't help at all. So I'm gonna go in the front way. Of course, it's an odd size 11/32, which I don't have here, so I'm gonna have to go grab a 11/32 wrench, and then we'll carry on. All right, finally got it in there. It's actually the next day. Ended up pouring rain yesterday, so I didn't film it. It took me almost an hour to get at that miserable little wire. Now I'm just gonna run the wire up to the dash, hook it up, and then we should be good to go. Alrighty, so I got the new wire run up here into the back of the dash. It's a bit of a mess back there. I'm gonna tidy all that up. I'm just gonna see if it works here. Fingers crossed for no explosions too. Beautiful. That's what I want to see. There we go. She's all fixed. In-seat starting is back in operation. We're going to go. There's a couple trees that need to come down, so we'll take you guys along for that. quick, easy work with trees like that.